Hi neighbor, hello, good morning. It is the morning when I'm filming this. I'm putting on my makeup and I decided I wanted to try something out that is inspired by Alexandra Anele, who is way more successful and beautiful than me. She does this series of very kind of shorter videos that describes like specific elements of makeup and applying makeup because she's a makeup channel. So this series that I'm gonna start is gonna be called Quick Tips, and just about makeup and fashion and just like general things that I feel like I want to tell you guys and see your opinion on. But also it's not necessarily like a full, like my 30-minute deep dive videos that I do. Like today, I just want to show you my go-to everyday eyeshadow looks. My go-to palette is this BH Cosmetics Sylvia Ghani palette, which I got in my TJ Maxx video and which I absolutely freaking love. What I have on my eyes in preparation, first of all, my face is clean and moisturized. And then I put on my Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control because I have oily eyelids and I like this, and I haven't found a dupe yet. If you know a good dupe, please let me know in the comments because this 1 ounce bottle is apparently $40. It's a lot of dollars. After that, I did color correcting with my Maybelline Master Camo, whatever, this like peachy pen thing for my purpley under eye bags, which I learned from Alexandra Anele. So thank you, Alexandra. And then my CoverGirl True Blend concealer on my eyelid, as well as covering up that area where I color corrected so it just doesn't look like an orange patch. I usually do like a 4-step process with my eyeshadow. It's like the same formula, and I'll show you different options on my different eyes. So I start with my crease, and this is my favorite crease brush. It's from BH Cosmetics. I don't know if it's literally actually a crease brush because I don't pay attention to these things. I literally just use what feels good to me. I'll start with a more cool toned look on this side, and then I'll show you a more warm toned look on this side. Both of them are relatively neutral and can be worn with like just about any outfit. When I think of like a go-to makeup look, that's what I'm looking for. It's not something super colorful and specific, but just looks good. And then I can go get dressed and it doesn't matter what I wear. I'm gonna start with this shade up here called Obsessed in my crease. Just take it lightly, kind of onto the corner of the brush. Get that up into the crease. Yeah. I will say that my brush is kind of dirty. This color is not going to look as purely just this color. Obsessed, it's going to be a little bit mixed with S Club because that was what was on my brush before and I didn't like clean it. Who cleans their brush? Anyway, so then I take kind of a wider eyeshadow brush. I have these two. The white one is from Wet n Wild and this black one is from e.l.f. But you can see like they're a little bit wide and they've got some thickness to them. And these are what I use for, for my outer corners. In this case, I'm gonna go Wet n Wild. As you can see, it's dirty, but if I'm in a rush, if I'm go-to, literally I'm just wiping it on my hand to get the excess off. But my hand is clean because I just used it to clean my face. I just washed my face. Depending on how dramatic I'd like to go, I'll put it either in Night Owl, this like purpley gray down here, or into the black shade Unapologetic. They're both matte. Today I'll go Night Owl, and I just try to focus it right on the tip of the brush and right into the corner, really just to provide a shadowing effect. After that, I go back in with my crease brush to kind of blend it in together, bring them together as one family, one love, one heart. I think I'm gonna go in a little farther. Yeah. There. And then by the time you blend it out, it's really not that like dark, you know? So then I take a flat kind of paddle brush. In this case, this one is from Modessa, which is literally from the dollar store. And I'm gonna take this shade Rosé, this light shimmery pink, and I'm gonna put it on the rest of my eyelid. I kind of like to split my eyelid up into thirds when I do this. So the outer like 1/3 of my eyelid gets the dark outer corner shade. Then the inner 2/3 of my eyelid get the shimmer shade. And then when I have this larger flat brush, it just saves time. It just kind of covers more surface area quickly. My shimmer has kind of shimmed too far into the matte outer corner. So I'm just gonna kind of brush in the direction of the shimmer to get the shimmer kind of out of that matte area. But other than that, I'm not really blending it. I should have cleaned my brush before I did my crease because I can definitely see more of that S Club like warm brown than the Obsessed darker like taupe mauve. I don't even know what color this is. So I'm gonna go back in and just cool it down a little bit with more of that correct color. And then with that, I'll do my little highlight. This is Essence, this brush, but it's a fluffy brush. Literally, doesn't matter. I'm gonna take this kind of white, like kind of vanilla color, I would say, shimmer called Prince, and use it as my highlight because as you can tell, my highlighter is a bubble broken. So I put that under my brow very lightly, very light touch, because it is really a shimmer eyeshadow, so it can really be built up more than I want it to be. And then right here, right in the corner, a little swipe, that's the eyeshadow. And there are more options of things that I can do from there if I have more time in my everyday kind of makeup routine to do more. But this is just kind of the basic go-to acceptable, I did my makeup today eye look. So I can do the same formula on the other side, and this time I'm going to go with more warm tone colors. And literally I'm going to use the same brushes. I'm just going to use the other side of this brush, for example. Because listen, I don't have time to wash my brushes every single day. Nobody does. This time I will actually put S Club purposefully into my crease. My outer corner will be this darker brown called October. And then my shimmer for this look is Goddess, this very yellow gold here, or you could use this one, which is called Queen, but I like Goddess most of the time because my eyes are olive green, hazel, and this yellow gold looks great on them. Really makes the olive green hazel pop. That's what I want. Then finally I'll do my highlight with my little fluffy brush again, and I'm going to use the shade Libra, which is an actual like highlight shade. I'll put this under my eyebrow and inner corner of my eye. Just give you a little glisten as you turn. So this is how the eyeshadow comes out, whatever combination you choose. So it's medium shade in the crease, dark in the outer corner, and then shimmer on the lid. And just color coordinate it, kind of keep it in a palette. And with that combination, you can make something really like more intense. You can do like crease, outer corner, lid, crease, outer corner, lid. Like there's ways that you can do it more dramatic and more colorful. But for every day, these are just more kind of neutral and toned down for me. Easy for a, what is it, Tuesday morning after Labor Day at 7 in the morning. So, and you can also see just like, well, I'll get into that topic later in another video. So after this is when I would do my eyeliner, mascara, and then my face makeup. I'll do that just to show you some options of how you can like vamp up this look a little bit and still have it be quick and easy for day to day. But this is kind of what the actual eyeshadow is. So 1 second. Okay, so the finishing touches to my eyes On this side, on the cool tone side, I did a black liquid eyeliner. Right now, the one that I have is this Maybelline Master Precise All Day liquid liner. It's a felt tip. It has a pretty fine point, so I like that. And usually it comes out really bad on my right side. I don't know why, but today it looks all right. And then on my left eye, this warm tone side, I lined my bottom lash line with October, which is the brown we used in the outer corner. Give it a little definition, a little something. And then on both eyes, I used my mascara, which is my Roller Lash by Benefit right now. Like, it's fine. It's $25, which I feel like is a lot for a mascara. It's fine. I don't know if I'm gonna spend that much on a mascara again. Like, it's not $25 good, you know? So yeah, these are the completed eyes. And from this point, I would put on my foundation, eyebrows, blush, highlight, then be out the door, because nowadays I'm not doing a lip because it's mask time. I would just put on a little lip balm, keep it moisturized under there. I don't think I want to do that in this video because then the video will get long and it's not really important because this is just an eyeshadow look video. But do let me know in the comments below if I should do my whole face next time. Thank you for watching. If you like it, I hope that you let me know in the comments below because this is new for my channel. So let me know if this is fun, if you like it. And in general, I hope that you like, subscribe, etc. I'm having a giveaway. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give somebody $100 American dollars. So to enter the giveaway, just subscribe to my channel, go follow me on my Instagram at prettyhippieme, and then come on back here to this video or any other video that talks about the giveaway, comment with your Instagram so I can go find you and contact you on Instagram if you win. That's how that works. Yeah, let me know your thoughts about this video below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. I hope you like me. I think that you're nice, so I hope you think I'm nice. Thanks.